What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here with you tonight with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about myEcon income shifting strategy. I'm going to take you through my back office so you can see how the strategy works. Okay. Now, look, if you're living paycheck to paycheck, if you're tired of struggling financially, if you're tired of looking at your paycheck and seeing how much taxes are being taken out of your check each and every time you get paid, I'm going to show you how myEcon income shifting strategies can help you shift money back into your paycheck every time you get paid. Now, I want to say every week, but the truth is everybody don't get paid every week, every Friday. Some people get paid every 2 weeks. Some people get paid on the 15th and the 30th or whatever the case may be, and some people even get paid once a month. But if there was a way for you to actually put an extra $250 to $500 per pay period back into your household, then that would be great. And I think that that would help a lot of people out. See, what a lot of people don't understand is that 1/3 of their money goes to taxes, and the government gets that money even before you see your paycheck. And if you can put that money back into your household, then that's going to help you eliminate debt. Okay. And that's one of the goals of myEcon, is to help people eliminate debt, uh, minimize your taxes, eliminate debt, okay, minimize your expenses, and also teaches you how to invest as well. And it gives you the opportunity to present the business opportunity to people on that nature as well. Now, understand something. I want to make a disclaimer here. When I say $250 to $500 per pay period, or on your back on your check, that actually means it's according to your situation. Okay. If you're not paying up to $250 in your coming out of your check each week or each pay period, or whatever the case may be, then don't expect to get that back. Okay. So it depends on your situation, whether you're single and married, okay, and both spouse working, or one spouse married and working. So it depends upon those situations. So I really wanted to make that clear. Now, before I move on, I want to thank all of my subscribers, all of y'all who have subscribed. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe, click that bell so you'll be notified whenever I do some other videos as well. So with that being said, let's get on into this video. I'm on my page in myEcon. I'm going to log in. I'm going to take you once again to the income shifting membership, okay? And we're going to go once again to the smart credit system. And this time we're going to the income shifting, okay? I'm going to walk you through these modules here. Okay, so what do you have here? You have an introduction to income shifting. And you can simply pause this video to read this. I hope you can see the screen good. Just pause the video to read this information, okay? And then it shows you how to correctly fill out your W-4 form. Now, the truth of the matter is, even the IRS says that 80% of Americans have their W-4 form filled out incorrectly. Therefore, they are paying too much in taxes. That's why a lot of people get refunds on their taxes, because they have paid out too much money in taxes during the year. Okay, and so RE stands for, again, fund me money. So what I found out and discovered when I joined myEcon is this: the government gets their money first, okay, out of your paycheck. They take your money and they invest it, and they make money off of the interest of investing your money. Then they give you your money back in the form of a refund, and then they turn around and tax you on that. I discovered that. I was like, wow, when I seen that. I didn't know that, because we know a lot of people live for that refund, and they take that refund and go buy cars and TVs and accumulate more debt is what happened. Now, some people do pay off bills, don't get me wrong. Everybody doesn't just splurge, but some people are not disciplined enough to take their money and really pay off some debt. So what's happened is that money that they gave you back, it just say if you was getting $5,000 back in refund from the IRS during tax season. You work all year long for the government to use that money to make interest off your money. They give you a $5,000 refund. You go pay off some debt or do whatever you do with it. Now my question to you is, what if you had that money in your paycheck all year long? Every time you get paid, you had extra money in your paycheck from that $500. And then myEcon shows you how to do the taxes and keep up with your deductions and your expenses, and all of this is deductible on off of your taxes, especially if you have a home-based business. Okay, that's the thing about it. People don't understand that there are deductions certain people that businesses get that people who work a regular job don't get. Okay, I'm not going to get into all the percentages that people working a job pay versus people who have a business. Just know this: if you have a home-based business, you pay a less percentage in taxes than people who just work a job, and you get the same business deductions as Walmart, McDonald's, and all the other big businesses as well. I was listening to a live the other day, and it just specifically said that the tax laws are made for business owners. Then he asked the question, why don't you own a business? Okay, and that's just the way it is. Okay, so I'm gonna get back to this income shifting. You want to watch this video, how to fill out your W-4 correctly. This is the first thing I did when I joined myEcon. Okay, when I joined myEcon, it was the strangest thing. I was advertising another business opportunity. The person contacted me about it, and I thought I was getting ready to make a sale, but somehow the script got flipped, and she presented myEcon to me. We talked on the phone back and forth. I came home that night. I printed out 4 copies of the W-4 in case I messed it up. I filled out the W-4 the way she told me to. I took it back to my job, walked into the HR office, gave the paper to the person, the lady. She looked at it and said, you know you're not going to be paying any taxes. And I just smiled at her and I told her I know, and I walked on out. I shifted my income from paying taxes to that money coming back into my house, and I did my wife the same way. So we was able to shift $400 back into our household, what we use, and to follow the strategies that myEcon showed us. Instead of spending that money, we paid off debt. Okay, so that's what we did. So you want to watch this video. It works if you work it. The strategies work if you work the strategies. So you want to watch the income shifting video. Okay, next you have the minimizing your expense tool. Now, I don't know about you all, but I have some expense in this house that I probably could get rid of, but I don't want to get rid of. Things like Amazon Prime and Netflix and cable, and maybe could drop my phone bill down to another level, not to have unlimited this and unlimited that, and things of that nature. But since I use my phone for my business, I have to have that. And this also teaches you how to get deductions on this phone that you use for your business. Okay, so you would go through this video. It tells you about the tool, and you actually get to do it right here. Okay, then it shows you how to use the debt elimination tool. You want to use that money that you get back from shifting the income from the government back into your household to eliminate debt. Okay, when you do this strategy and this strategy, The two strategies give you more money. You take that money and you start applying it to your debt, which is what they call the snowball effect. In myEcon, and myEcon teaches you how to do that. Okay, you even have a calculator, you know, to help you walk through the process. Watch this video; it's going to show you. Okay, the investment calculator. myEcon teaches you how to invest. Okay, that way, what you're doing, you're having the money working for you and you not working for the money. Okay, so you want to watch this video as well. And like I said, if you apply these strategies, they work. Okay, so you want to go through this module as well as what I did a video on the other day. Let's move on to the next lesson. Okay, so you have the summary, tying it all together. Okay, so you just simply watch this video and it tells you how to tie it all together, and then you are through with that module. Okay, so it actually starts with the 750 credit plan and then the income shifting. I did the income shifting portion first. Now I want to say something about the income shifting. This can help you cover your $47.90 to get started, or the $34.95 to get started. And you may be asking, how does it do that? Well, when you join myEcon with either one of those plans, and I highly suggest the $47.90, when you do your W-4 form and turn it into your HR, you get money back into your paycheck. The $47.90 you have paid has just been covered. Okay, but you're not getting this money back just one time. This comes in each and every time you get paid. Okay, if you get paid twice a week, twice a month, then it comes twice a month. You know, now if you should decide you're gonna get in myEcon and you're gonna do the W-4 and you're gonna do the fill it out like they're saying and do it like this, and then you're going to quit the business, then you have to go back and redo your W-4 again and revert it back with some adjustments on it. You're going to have to make adjustments to it again, point blank. Okay, that's just the way it works. Now, there are a lot of other things that come with this membership. I just want to touch on this tonight. I want to just kind of break down each thing inside of myEcon and what you get for the $34.95 per month. Okay, now as I said, the $47.90 to $47.90, the $34.95 is included in that. There's you get the mall. You get your own personal mall that comes with it, and I'll show you that here. Let's go back, but I want you to get a good understanding. You get your own cashback mall, okay, with the $47.90. And here's the thing about the cashback mall. Understand this. You can shop in this mall at Walmart, get 2% cash back, okay, on whatever you purchase. And there are some stipulations, so you have to read those. But you get 2% cash back on that. And you also get a commission for shopping in your own mall, and the company makes money as well. Okay, so that's something else that comes with the $47.90 plan. Okay, so I'm going to go back and just kind of show you the steps of signing up as if I was on the home page. And if it says join now, you just simply come here, click on the get started. Make sure my name is here as the sponsor. Okay, and you're going to continue. You're going to fill in this information, add your spouse to it as well, your address, just fill in the information. Now when you get here, this tells you what you get. Qualified Marketing Director Income Shifting Membership 1 year membership in to the cashback mall. What this does is cover your CV, which is $2, and that is paid up for the year. Okay. And the other one is a $34.95 marketing director income shifting membership. And you can read the differences between the two of these to see which one is best fits you. But I highly suggest the $47.90 so you get the cashback mall. You don't have to worry about getting a CV. You don't have to worry about and you instruct your team to do the same. They don't have to worry about getting CV. It's covered for an entire year. So that's kind of what I wanted to show you about the income shifting. Let's go back. And let's see. I think that's all. You also get the cash flow manager. I'll do another video on that one as well. Okay. Let's go back. And you also get, a training center. Very important. Go through this information here. Quick start orientation. You have tools, you have messages, you have the smart credit system, discount travel, and all of those things. So that's what I basically want to do in this video, will show you the income shifting part of it. I did a video on the 750 credit plan yesterday, so you can go back and check that video. I may try to find that video and put a link to it in this video. That way you can just go to it. It will be in the description. Okay, so if you're looking to join the Conversion Pros and start shifting your income, then go ahead on and do so and start going through this information. What's going to happen is a lot of people are promoting the business opportunity side of myEcon, which is great. But what myEcon wants you to do is apply these strategies to your finances, to your life, so you can live financially free and become wealthy with your own money, okay? And have the opportunity to do the business side as well, okay? So think about it. If you're thinking about joining myEcon, go ahead. There'll be a link in the description for you to join myEcon. And also, the Conversion Pros, I will leave a link to that as well. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you got value out of this video. Join myEcon and start going through this information. Contact me when you have joined. I will get an email telling me that you have joined, and I will contact you and help you get going through the process. I'll send you an email and a text message, and then I will call you and help you get going through the process as well. Okay, and we have a support group on Facebook that's actually dedicated to helping you with myEcon business, with your myEcon business and the myEcon strategies as well. Okay, so with that being said, y'all have a good night tonight and a better day tomorrow. Peace.